hybrid vehicle has an additional cruise control feature that's designed to help you drive more efficiently and save your vehicle energy too. Let me tell you about it. EcoCruise works with your regular cruise control system in that it maintains your speed on level roadways. But with EcoCruise, when you tap the brake and then want to resume to your previously set speed, it accelerates gradually to help your vehicle reach its preset speed, and that can help save energy. Also, be aware that when first going up an incline, you may experience some speed loss, but after a short period of time, it will catch up to your set speed. And if equipped with adaptive cruise control, when your hybrid vehicle speed is slowed by a slower moving traffic, it will automatically accelerate again gradually once traffic is cleared or sped up. That gradual acceleration may make it seem as if your vehicle isn't keeping up with the speed you've set. It is. It's just that it's more efficient to gradually accelerate. When EcoCruise is on but not active, the Eco and Car icon in your information display will be gray. Just accelerate to the speed you want, then press the Set button on the left side of your steering wheel. Once active, both Eco and the Car icon will turn green. Your vehicle will now keep a constant speed until you brake. Keep in mind, if you do brake, but then want to resume your set speed, you can press the Resume button on the left side of your steering wheel. And if at any time you want a quick refresher on what this feature is, use the 5-way control on the left side of your steering wheel, go to the main menu, scroll to Information, Tutorial, then select EcoCruise, and a brief description will appear. Of course, if you'd rather not use the EcoCruise feature, you can disable it using the 5-way control, going back to your Settings menu, then Driver Assist, EcoCruise, and Off. When EcoCruise has been turned off, the next time you set a cruising speed, you'll be using standard cruise control. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit lincolnowner.com.